Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on the basis of price action behavior, and we will try to plot some important support, resistance and other patterns so that you can understand and get a idea how gold can behave in coming trading session for short term and for long term also. So for long term, as you can see in the past few weeks, gold actually managed to break the downtrend that had existed in few trading sessions. So this established a new short-term upward trend that began in last trading sessions. So in order to initiate a sustainable trend reversal, the area around 1830 would have to be overcome. So this is the major resistance in buying side, and then we can say that currently gold in bullish trend. But as of now, as you can see from this channel, the gold is in bullish trend but is for short term. We already discussed these level in recent prediction video, so let's just recap and reanalyze and discuss some major support resistance for intraday or for swing trading also. So in last video we discussed that, let's just redraw those level. So as you can see from here, gold, let's just zoom in and then we will discuss so that you get a better view. So from here, as you can see, if you focus on this side, currently gold is trading at around 1799 level, but as you can see from here, it tried to break out 1800. So as you can see from the candle, we can't say that this is a good breakout. So as you can see, the candle is of a long wick or a bigger wick, so we can say the current trend is still a bullish trend, and we can say that gold might rebounce from this level to upper channel that we already discussed in last video, that it is in uptrend. So we can expect that gold might retouch the level. Let's take another screenshot and we will discuss some major level also. So the major resistance here in the buying side is at around this level, as you can see from here. So this is the major area for resistance in buying side, that is at around 1809 to 1811 zone, that already had a support zone in recent in previous trading sessions. So this might act as a resistance now for uptrend. And for lower, if gold is unable to hold the lower level that existed at around 1790 to 1792, if gold is not able to hold or not able to take support on this level, that is a big move in the downside. If gold is able to hold on this level, that is at around 1792, we can say that gold might rebound from this level. But if it not able to hold the price at 1790 1792 level, that then we can expect the fall of gold up to lower level, that is at around 1780 level. So in the buying side, I can say that 1811 or 1811 1809 is a major resistance, but for the downside, the level of 1790 and 1792 is a major support, which act as support in buying side. But if it able to break out this support, we can say that gold might retest 1780 level again. But still, from the current price behavior, we can say that gold is in uptrend, and we might see some bullish trend in coming trading sessions. So this is the short term analysis on the basis of technical technical lines or technical support resistance, as you can say. But we will discuss more about gold prediction in coming trading sessions also. Thank you.